hobbyist, about 15 minutes or 20. We're gonna go to a local lake. He knows of a place that has a trolling motor. He knows the area of where a guy lost a trolling motor. We're gonna try to find it with the Brute Magnetics magnet, the 1000 pull, and the 2600 double pull. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna go out in his boat that he made, like he rebuilds from scratch. This boat was a junkyard boat turned into a beautiful boat. Good job, Jarrett, on the craftsmanship. And guys, I'll show you what this boat looked like and what it looks like now and how it runs. Jarrett, you did an excellent job. All right, guys, we'll see you on the water. All right, guys, so I made it on time. I'm here at Jarrett's house. I went to slide in the 1000 pull magnet and with the 2600 pull magnet, and they actually stuck together. I was trying to put it in the box. I figured I could do it. We got to get some mechanical help. Did you say tie it to the tree?
Yeah, I'll tie it to the tree. I'll tie this to the other tree and we'll pull it apart. That's the little dog that tries to kill my dog.
Well, I mean, we could take care of him real quick. The Brute Magnetics broke test right now. So let's just get some clarification. Last time I put two 500 pulls in that box and it didn't have no issue. That 2,600 pound magnet flew out of the holster. Wow! Pow!
I heard it.
That hit hard too.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're lucky your finger wasn't in there.
I mean, what are you saying?
Exactly.
What are you trying to say, bud?
Saying don't lose another one.
Yeah, I know, right? Hang around the rosy. Go ahead. Yeah. We're gonna see how strong these ropes are compared to the magnet and the come along. Wait a minute, I screwed up here. You said you didn't want to be by the magnets, and I'm right next to them. Oh, oh, yay! Good job.
Makes it a lot easier.
Nothing broke. Jarrett redone this boat. It looks excellent. It's got a 9.9 on here. He has turned this boat into something awesome. Go to Lake Egypt on this thing. You still have the pictures of what it looked like? That's what it looked like before. But I can back you in and drop you off.
The car's a stick and that's a little tough.
So you don't trust me?
On the lake.
You don't trust me, I see.
Not you. I don't trust anybody.
Okay, I'll remember that. So is she cranked open? Yeah. Holy shit. Personal, that's a Lucky Fishing brand. Lucky Fishing brand, thank you for the hat. We're running 8 mile an hour, 9 mile an hour. Got a cross wave.
Guys, it's hard to handle.
That's what she said. The duck to the down tree.
The duck.
The duck.
Okay, duck.
The duck. I need my finger
I
back.
was like, wait, look at what?
I think we need a bigger boat.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Absolutely crystal clear. So what we're doing is Jarrett's covering the top. Well, not the top, but he's covering ground and I'm dragging and rubbing a hole in his boat. Shit. Oh, watch your back.
Woo.
Back.
Hang on. That's all.
Hey, you don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
No.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go.
Stick to that.
Double fisting it, guys. We got them both going now. What is it?
Not a trolling motor.
All right, guys. Whenever I become famous on YouTube, this is my next home. You got the 2-stage dock system here. Beautiful house on the back. It's for sale. Home for sale.
300,000.
Is this 300,000?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're doing a GoFundMe for 300,000. That's my new home. Let's make it happen. Ah! GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Thank you. So as it was an absolute fail that we did not find the trolling motor, we went to another place. So I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, we are at a waterfall that one day I'm gonna go off of. We got a place down here, people swim all the time. Well, not all the time, but people do swim it. All right, guys, it's pretty far down there. It's a good 30, 40 feet. Don't fall.
Yeah, I'm not.
If so, we'll have it on video and I'll be a millionaire.
I was gonna say, how does that make it better?
So it's not gonna throw me off, is it?
What do you mean? I'd tie your end your rope or something to knock yourself. You're scaring me, dude.
I was so poop.
That'd be terrible.
That's a far drop, dude.
Yeah. Dude.
What? It won't matter. What do you mean, watch that edge?
Here.
What? You're worse than my mom.
Holy
Sucker flies, don't it? Hey, we got a chair. Yeah, we got it.
That's hilarious.
That's a nice chair.
Is it?
I think it's got a little bit of tie wire on it, though. It's actually a nice chair. I wonder if they sit on it whenever they jumped off. Don't fall in. Hey.
There she is.
We found something today. Flat out, don't get my magnet stuck on the sidewall. He said he couldn't get it off last time. He had a 500 pull. Now he's got the 1,000 from the Brute Magnetics. I've got the 2,600 from Brute Magnetics. And if I get mine stuck, we're gonna use a vehicle. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, 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 oh. You got something? Hey, what is that? That's a pulley. That's a
like a clevis.
yeah, a point, like when you tie that around a tree.
Yeah, that's nice actually.
Yeah, heck yeah. They use it for like jeeping and stuff. It's a tie point is what I was trying to get. That I could see the damn VCR. Oh, it is a stereo. Oh man, that's kind of cool. It's an old school stereo, isn't it? Oh, rebar. Hey, I'm getting that sucker. Work this side. What do you mean? I'm just trying to get this.
Oh, we're gonna go look for this bed.
I just broke it. Well, if it worked, it doesn't work anymore. Why don't that pick it up, man? I'll be pissed if you just lift that sucker up like no problem.
Oh,
Got it.
you got it?
It's on there.
Bring it up. I want to get on your magnet. On you. Hang on. Whoa, whoa.
No, that's what I'm saying. It didn't seem like that was it. We're playing with.
Oh, you ain't kidding. What is that? Oh, it's a brake drum.
I can pick up a brake drum.
Oh, I got something. A big old brake drum.
Golly.
Got your pedal. Drop that on your toe.
It ain't a brake drum.
Huh?
It ain't a brake drum.
Yes, it is. Isn't it? Yeah, it is.
Oh,
That's a drum brake.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You get it?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh my God, it's so heavy.
This thing is full of water.
Ah,
I got it.
I did it. Is that a gun?
No. It's a muffler.
Oh my. Oh.
Piece I was pulling on broke off.
Oh, this is old school right here, son. This is our time, you know it?
Oh yeah. I think I got one of those.
Huh? Oh man. I'll see if I see a crawdad in there. My God, I got it. Told you I was going to, didn't I? Some more of our finds. Got a good tie point. Some roof bolts. Yeah, that's a shackle for a tie point off of something. And we found that radio. We had a good day. Guys, if you want to get started with magnet fishing, get a hold of Brute Magnetics. Use my promo code CHAOS for 10% off. Till next time, guys, keep paddling. It's not worth the stop. Jarrett, thank you for taking me out today.
Oh yeah.
This is Jarrett from Extreme Hobbyist. Check him out also. We're going home.